All right, so we're in the Dirty Freak here, and fuel problem. Check this out. So I got this is the original pump that was for this vehicle. I have it in a holder. This is an EG one because I took at a Walbro 255 on my old EG one, and then I swapped that into the tank. But let's just listen to what this one sounds like. This is the original 98 Civic fuel pump. Have a listen. Horrible. Pretty rough. Sounds like something went haywire. And for comparison, let's unplug this one, and we have another EG pump. This is a stock EG pump, and let's hear what it sounds like. Yeah, the Walbro is always quite loud. Plug that in. Comparison, have a listen. Oh, that's nice and quiet. So quiet. And for comparison, let's have a listen to my Walbro 255. And this pump I bought probably back around 2001, 2002. This is the pump I ran in the all-motor hatch. It was a B20, VTEC head, 92 hatch, 12.7, top mile an hour. And this has been sitting out of the car for probably a good 15 years now. Let's have a listen. I'm gonna cycle the key. Nothing. Completely dead. Yeah, that's the whole reason I have these other pumps out here. I was just seeing if there's power to the circuit. But this sucker is dead. So, yeah, I took the... Looks like I'm gonna be buying myself another pump. We'll see. Everything's always harder one-handed. I don't want to break this pump base because it's different than the EGs. The outlet is a line rather than a banjo bolt style like this. So if I break that line, I'm gonna have to change the whole fueling system here. Uh, 94 octane. And let's try plugging it again, I said. Cycle it. Where did I do? Yeah, need the keys. Beauty about hatch versus big SUV, you can do this. Gas is gonna shoot out of here, maybe. Everything looks good. Try something a little harder. You hear that? It's not turning. It's not turning at all. Anyways, so looks like I'm ordering another